Okay, my first dry run. I don't have to figure this out until after I get the ceiling fan installed up there onto the knuckle, onto the mounting bracket, because the knuckle is actually going to be up inside that mounting bracket. Then I'll be able to figure out which way to put this based on how that knuckle sets up there. Okay, so I'm gonna get set up for that, and I've gotta make a determination of how I want to carry that thing up on the ladder. Do I want my ladder positioned with the feet over here like this, so that I carry it and lift it over that way and hold it with my right hand down underneath, and then my left hand up there? Or do I want to flip the ladder around? And I forget how I did the last one. Either way, it's kind of tricky to get up there because it's not that heavy. It's just bulky and kind of awkward because the ceiling fan blades are on there. Okay, so I'm gonna have to think about this here for a minute. I've got a picture set up over here. I'll probably set that back over here, let's say, and I think I did it with it coming up with me holding it with my right hand over on this side. I can't remember now. You know, I'll just have to see. You know, I almost feel like I should be over here holding it with my left hand. Then you know, however I do it, it's gonna be kind of funky, kind of awkward. You know, if you had somebody else here to help you, they could be on the bed, whatever, kind of hold it, whatever. I'm here by myself. I shouldn't have anybody here. I'm not going to have Mommy come down here, my wife, and help me on it. I can do it. I did it before, and I'll do it again. Okay, so actually, before I lift it up there too, I'll decide, and I can cut these wires. I can cut these wires more after I get it up there, right? But I can cut some of these wires now. I'm not going to tell you how much, but because I'm going to cut them. I'm going to cut them again, but just for it to be out of the way, you know, that's plenty, right? And these wires here, I'll just wrap them up and I'll save them because, you know, believe it or not, if you have a ceiling fan and it's short like that, and later on down the road you're like, I think I want to extend that down further. You can extend it down further, and if these wires are too short, you can get those little fittings, those connector things, and you think, man, I wish I had some extra little wire to make them longer, to run through my longer extension. Well, now you do, because you saved some from one of your other fans. Okay, so I'm going to save that, put it in my little red bag for later. All right, I'll get set up here, and then I'll get you set up somewhere here so you can see me kind of lift this up and monkey it up there. Well, I can cross that one off my list. That's all I got for this time. But I'll be back with more videos.